So it's obviously Monday again. Let them know, bro. It's about that time. Y'all know what happens on Mondays. It's obviously Supreme again. We got some more news. And let me guess, you about to talk about it. Yes, sir. This week for Supreme, we're going to be seeing the Gremlin collab and the IRAK collab. There's some unseen teas. We don't know what they're going to look like. But I'm going to discuss all of that in this video. If you do end up enjoying, leave a like on this. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And with all that being said, let's get straight to it. We're gonna go back to our old ways and start with the dookiest items first, working our way to the best items at the end of the video. All the way at the bottom, we got these IRAK sweatpants. These literally say IRAK probably 100,000 times on it with a couple Supreme logos spread out around it. These are kind of ass, not gonna lie to y'all. There is also a zip up version of this, which both of these shits combined is terrible. Like, bro, if you step out with them shits on, you got something going on. Shits is beat. But let's get up out of there. We got this velvet crusher, and they also did a camp cap. I'm gonna talk about both of them together because they're both critical, bro. These shits are in critical condition. I don't know who said camo, grid, and velvet all in one. That person should be fired yesterday, bro. Like, this shit is ass. I don't know how this made it out or who's gonna be buying this shit, but I'm pretty sure somebody has this on their list for this week. Let's get up out of here. If y'all copping the velvet grid camo shit, let me know in the comments. There's this cuffless new era skirt beanie. This shit got no cuff. It has like this varsity logo on it. I don't know where you going with this. This is back in 03 type shit. Low-key one of the pieces that you don't even look at on the release. So I'm gonna go ahead, give it no more attention, get that up out of here. There's the embossed sweater coming out, which is dropping in 3 different colorways. Honestly, with this one, it's ass, bro. Like, I'm really picky when it comes to crew necks, so this is something that is not up my alley. But when there's clean crew necks, I give my respect where it's due. This is not it right here. It's literally just pressing a logo on it. Doesn't look clean, at least to me. You feel me? This shit could be fired to you, but in my book, shit is cheeks. This woven hooded jacket, they continue with the by the beach shit, bro. I don't see myself copping this again. Shit is kind of mid, bro. Like, 3 different colorways for this one. Looks like there's planes on this shit. I don't know what it is. Almost like a psychedelic trippy type vibe on this one. They can miss me with that shit. We got the washed capital short sleeve top. This one comes in like 7 different colors. There's honestly nothing special about this tee, but one thing is that the graphic does change color depending on the tee that you cop. Just thought I'd let y'all know. There's this zip up flannel shirt, which y'all know I do not and will not ever cop a zip up from Supreme unless that shit is like hella fire with some nice ass graphics on it. A plain zip up flannel from Supreme missed me with that shit. Like, bro, this literally has a tonal Supreme embroidered on the pocket. You can't even tell what it is. This week is looking kind of ass, at least from what I've seen so far. This is when the better items kind of come in. This IRAK 5 panel is looking kind of clean. Hey, I don't know if it's just me, but I love graffiti, as y'all know. So this black 5 panel hat is actually okay. I don't know if on drop day is one of the items that I'd even go for, but I just thought I'd recognize it. There's the IRAK balaclava. I don't know if people trying to rock that IRAK all over the face type vibe. I do fuck with the balaclava, like the way that it is. This is almost like a Who Shiesty type balaclava, if you know what I'm talking about. It's decent. I don't know if I'd even go for it if I'm keeping it a buck. I don't even think this is gonna resell in any capacity, so I'm gonna get past that. There's this Raymond Pettibon mechanics jacket. This one basically has a bird on the back. I don't know what type of bird it is, but that shit is vicious, bro. It's saying fuck all y'all, which is disrespectful, bro. Like, that's just straight up rude to anybody walking behind you. Let me know if y'all fucking with the mechanics jacket. The front of it is clean. Could have had a better graphic on the back. Some people probably fucking with that fuck all y'all vibe. Kind of fucking with the cut of the jacket, but the graphics on this one ain't doing it for me. There's the Catwoman beanie, which I actually think is fire. This one comes in 5 colors. As y'all know, I copped the tee in the stone color, so I don't think I would buy the beanie in the stone. Probably in the black. It looks more subtle in the black, which I kind of do fuck with, but I don't know if I need another Supreme beanie. This is for the people that don't have too many like me. Like, I don't even wear all my beanies anymore. That's neither here nor there. These might resell considering that it is a dope collab, and maybe I'm just being biased because I love the tee. I feel like the beanie might do good. Who knows? You got 2 pins coming out. The Gons pin, which is a straight mockery. Like, I don't even know why this is going on. And then the No Love pin, which is basically these hearts crossed out. No love, obviously. obviously. Both of these shits is ass to me. Again, if I'd cop any, it would be the No Love one, but they're both just gonna be a pass for me. We already made it to the top of the list. You got the Gremlins hooded sweatshirt, which is gonna come out in 3 different colors. If I was to pick one up, I'd probably go with the black one simply because it makes the graphic look more subtle on that one. Gray would be my second choice. I honestly wouldn't even pick this shit up, not gonna bullshit y'all, but Gremlins was a comedy horror film from 1984. I'm not gonna sit here and bullshit y'all like I watched it, but I did do a little, you feel me, I looked it up on Google. Probably gonna put a little clip right here for y'all.
Gotta keep him out of bright light.
I don't know.
Number 2,
None of that.
keep
I
him
don't
away
know.
from water.
None of that. I never watched that shit. I don't even really like old ass movies like that. I pick and choose my battles with those. 3 colors, don't need none of them. Like none of that. I'm good on that. This jersey is actually kind of clean. I do like that white with the navy and the red. Probably the one that I would gravitate to, simply because that other figure I'm not really fucking with too much. That should look a little too devilish for something that I would wear. You feel me? And besides, I like the Olympic colorway on that white one. If that shit was cream instead of white, I feel like it would have been even cleaner, but y'all already know how I do with that shit. Still gonna skip on this. You got the Mechanics IRAK work gloves. I don't know if these shits are for like riding your bike and shit, working on the in streets, or lifting weights. Like, let me know what these are for, but they do look alright. These might be for celebrities to cover their witch hands and shit, but who knows, bro? I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm probably sleeping on this whole week. Like, shit is just ass, bro. I wish there was something that connected me to this week. Like last week, I was connected, bro, but this week it's a miss for me. Let me know if y'all excited for the Gremlin shit. We do got the skate deck, which was the last item on the drop list. There's 2 different decks that are gonna be coming out with both characters from the movie. There's a green lizard with a bra on. I have no other words to express for that skate deck. Just know that that's what's going on there. And then there's the other little homie who he's chilling, you feel me? He's not that bad, but that green one though, that shit crazy. As I'm walking away, Drops by Jay came out with the fall tees that are gonna be dropping, so I might as well cover those too. We low-key got the P-Hub tee.
What do you mean by that?
The Maud tee. I don't know who Maud is, but this tee is dropping this week for Supreme. To each his own, bro. It's at the top for a reason. Supreme is mainly followed by all dudes for the most part, and y'all funny, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna be going for this one. I don't know if I could wear some shit like this out, you feel me? Like, I don't know if it's for me, but a lot of y'all fucking with this one. Let me know in the comments what you talking about. The tee fire though, but this Supreme IRAK tee is something I could get behind, you feel me? I fuck with this one. Like I told y'all with the hat, I'm a sucker for graffiti, so anything graphed up is for me, and I feel like this is clean. I want to see the other colorways for this. If they have it in the stone, we got a problem, but even in this black colorway, you feel me, I might have to pick this up. This one's clean, might have to get this one. The Tradition tee, I don't really know what's going on with this one. It says Supreme New York, then it has like an emblem under it, made in tradition with the little stamp on it. It's something on the more subtle side, almost gives me like Old Navy. You wear this with some sweats type shit in the flints. That's what this is giving me. I don't know why, but it looks okay. Something I would pick up, not really, nothing too special, you feel me? I'ma leave this one. The IRAK cast tee is fire, bro. Look at the back of this one with the graffiti. Fire. Let me know how y'all feel about this one. Homie basically sitting on the stoop. He got 2 different color sneakers on off the rip. It says IRAK and it has that little box logo under it. I feel like it's pretty decent on the front, and then you see the back. Fire. Supreme graffiti on the back of this tee is on point for sure. I want to see the other colors too. There's the upside down tee, which I have a feeling that this one's gonna change colors depending on the tee. This navy one isn't too bad. If there's like a cream with a tan or something like that, I don't know why I'm leaning towards all cream. I don't think the upside down one is terrible. What I cop, not really. There's way better tees releasing. There's the Don't Fuck Around tee, which literally says don't fuck around on the front of it, and on the back it has a dollar sign that has Supreme in it. I don't know what's going on with this tee, but I think I'm straight on this one. Not gonna lie to you, it's decent, but it's like that first tee, bro. Like, I don't know if I'm about to freak this on the daily. I'm not the big ass on the front of a T type person. Low-key, I have this FTP hat that has a middle finger on it. I know y'all probably saw it in an unboxing, and I wore that shit the other day. I'm like, yo, I wonder what people feel about that shit. I'm literally flipping them off with my hat for no reason. There's two more tees. The Greta one, which basically has the lizard with the bra on it. She got her hair all the way dude, bruh. Yo, the lizards may be among us, bro. Let me know. I'm good on that shit. And we got the Gons portrait tee. This one's low-key all over the place. I don't know where it's going. Basically has these 3 different designs spread through the tee, and it looks kind of sporadic. Don't know how I'm feeling about this one. Then on the back it says Team Supreme or some shit like that. Once again, it's decent. I want to see the other colorways for this. That might make me more interested, but from what I'm seeing right now, shit is a pass, bro. That's pretty much all the tees. I'd probably cop like 2 or 3 of these, but I'ma realistically probably go for 1 or 2 of these. That does it for week 5's drop list. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna be going for anything Gremlin IRAK or some of the other miscellaneous items that are gonna be dropping. If you did enjoy this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and watch one of these videos because YouTube is recommending it. Based on what you watched, you might like them. Hey, who knows? Subscribe to the channel, and with all that being said, I hope you guys had a great day. Peace, stay up, now out.